sound designing. Even in an empty room is not silent. But what if I told you that all the sound effects you have seen and heard in this sequence are not real?
Wait, what?
I mean, they are not recorded in the studio, and today I am going to show you how you can do the same and sound design anything. Now, my dear friends, just as the title of this video is promised, we are going to use the smartphone app. And this is Filmora app. They are sponsoring this episode, by the way. Thanks, Filmora app. So if you don't have the Filmora app, the link is in the description below. Now, I'm going to start off by showing you the almost impossible sound effects that you wouldn't think they could be made anywhere else without the recording gadgets. Now let's move on to the actual procedures. Use this option right here and then select the SFX option. And right here, of course, you are going to choose the AI section, which is this option right here. And right here, my dear friend, this is a very, very simple thing that you are going to do. Just type the name right here. I mean, not the name, but actually the description. As you can see, this is the description box. You just have to describe something that makes that sound effect. Now, for the 3 examples that we are going to have right here, I'm going to search the 3 examples that I've shown you earlier. Just a couple of seconds, the sound is done being generated. All right? So just to prove that those sounds are very, very real, let's play this one right here. Now, what I would like you to understand right here, my dear friend, there are things that you can't actually explain here. Think of something that is close to that, something that can bring that same sound. All right? And when you put that description right here, it's going to do the very way you want. So this is the music generator actually on the sound effects generation side. So just as I've said earlier, you can actually find this in a computer version of Filmora, all right? And if this video was useful for you, do subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next one. Peace.